America is changing faster than ever. Every year, millions of people pack their bags, leave their hometowns, and move to states that offer better jobs, cheaper housing, and a more comfortable life. But while some states are booming with new residents, others are quietly emptying out. In today's video, we're breaking down the 10 US states losing the most population in 2025, and the surprising reasons behind this great American migration. Some of these states might shock you, and the number one loser is losing people at a historic rate. Let's begin. Number 10, Illinois, the long goodbye. Illinois has been watching its population shrink for more than a decade, and 2025 continues that trend. The biggest reason: taxes. Illinois is consistently ranked among the most expensive states for property taxes. Homeowners in many suburbs pay thousands every year just in tax bills, sometimes more than their mortgage. Add in rising crime in Chicago, high living costs, and declining job opportunities, and residents feel they're getting too little in return for too much money. Because of this, thousands of families are choosing nearby states like Indiana, Wisconsin, and Iowa, where the cost of living is dramatically lower. For many, it's not about leaving home. It's about finally being able to afford a better life. Number 9, Pennsylvania. Famous for its rich history and beautiful landscapes, Pennsylvania is struggling with a major demographic problem. Young people are leaving and older populations are growing. Cities like Pittsburgh and Philadelphia have become more expensive, while job growth isn't keeping up with states in the South and West. Many younger workers are heading toward Texas, North Carolina, and Florida, where tech, healthcare, and construction jobs are booming. As the state ages, healthcare costs rise, tax pressure increases, and families feel stuck in a slow-moving economy. Pennsylvania isn't emptying overnight, but the long-term trend is firmly downward. Number 8, New York. It might be the most iconic state in America, but it's also one of the most expensive. The combination of sky-high rent, rising taxes, and crowded city living has pushed a record number of residents out. New York City, especially, has become too costly for middle-class families, young professionals, and retirees who simply can't keep up. Many residents are relocating to New Jersey, Florida, North Carolina, or Georgia, where they can buy a home for a fraction of NYC prices. Crime concerns, public transportation challenges, and a slow post-pandemic recovery have also added pressure. New York is still a global hub, but financially it's becoming harder and harder for everyday people to survive there. Number 7, Michigan. The state's population decline started years ago, but 2025 shows it continuing with no signs of slowing down. The biggest challenge is economic. The manufacturing sector, once America's powerhouse, has been shrinking for decades. While Detroit is improving, many smaller towns struggle with job shortages, low wages, and high living costs. Climate is another factor. Harsh winters push residents toward warmer places like Tennessee, Florida, and the Carolinas. Michigan has loyal residents, but the trend is clear. Families are seeking places where the job market is growing, not shrinking. Number 6, Louisiana. Louisiana faces a combination of challenges that make long-term living difficult. First, there's the weather. The state is hit by severe hurricanes, flooding, and rising sea levels almost every year. Then there's the economy, which has remained slow, with limited job growth outside of oil and gas. Many young people leave for better opportunities in Texas, Georgia, and Alabama. This steady outflow has created what experts call a population drain, making Louisiana one of the fastest shrinking states in the South. Number 5, Oregon. Oregon was once considered a paradise for nature lovers and remote workers, but in recent years the trend is reversing. The main reasons: housing prices have skyrocketed, homelessness has increased sharply in major cities, and taxes and utility costs are rising. Job growth has slowed down. Many residents are moving to nearby Idaho and Washington, or heading south toward Arizona and Nevada, where housing is significantly cheaper. Oregon is still beautiful, but everyday life has become too expensive for many middle-income families. Number 4, Hawaii. Paradise with a price tag. Hawaii is stunning, peaceful, and culturally rich, but it's also one of the hardest states to afford. Housing costs are some of the highest in the United States. Groceries cost more because everything must be shipped, and job opportunities are limited. Locals are being priced out by wealthy outsiders buying property. Many residents are leaving for the mainland, especially Nevada, Arizona, California, and Texas, where making a living is easier. Hawaii remains paradise, but only for those who can pay the price. Number 3, Massachusetts. This state offers great education and top tech jobs, but it also comes with an extremely high cost of living. Rent, home prices, and taxes continue to rise, making life difficult for families and young professionals. Even though the economy is strong, the cost of simply living is pushing people out. Many are choosing cheaper nearby states like New Hampshire, Maine, or Rhode Island, where they can afford homes for far less. Massachusetts isn't collapsing. It's just becoming financially unrealistic for the average resident. Number 2, Alaska. Alaska has unmatched natural beauty, but life there is incredibly challenging. The state struggles with extreme cold, a high cost for food and fuel, limited healthcare access, and fewer job opportunities. Many young people leave the moment they turn 18, heading to the lower 48 for education and stable jobs. The population decline has been steady for years, and 2025 shows the trend continuing. And the number 1 state losing the most population in America is California. It has it all: beaches, tech companies, sunshine, and glamour. But it also has some of the highest taxes, extremely expensive housing, major homelessness challenges, frequent wildfires, and a rising cost of basic living. For many middle-class families, California simply became too expensive to survive. People are leaving at record speed, more than any other state. The top destinations: Texas, Arizona, Nevada, Idaho, and Florida. The California dream is becoming a California exit. This population movement is nothing new, but 2025 marks one of the biggest demographic shifts in decades. The pattern is clear: people are leaving expensive, high-tax, slow-growth states and moving to cheaper, faster-growing states with better jobs, better weather, and more opportunity. Where Americans choose to live says a lot about the future, and right now, the future is moving south and west. Thanks for watching. What do you think about these trends? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights.